0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role Play-21, discussion in the bank.
Ziad wants to open a bank account. He goes to the bank and talks as follows.
Hello, sir. I want to open an account in the bank. Can you please tell me about the process?
Yes. Tell me which kind of account you want to open.
What do you mean, sir? I could not understand.
This means that there are two types of bank accounts. One is called a savings account, and the other one is a current account.
I want to open a current account.
Okay, go to counter no. 5. Take the form from there and then fill it out.
Okay, sir.
You will also need a photo and a copy of the Aadhaar card.
Yes, sir. I have come with everything.
That's great. Now please sign in here.
Yes, sir.
Here you go. Your account is open now.
Sir, how much amount should I have to deposit into my account?
Not much, just 1,000 INR.
Will I also get an ATM card?
No, you will get only a passbook. For ATM, you have to fill out another form.
Okay, sir. I will fill out the other form for ATM.
Okay.
Sir, I want this check to be passed.
Okay. Give me and I will pass it.
Here it is.
Here it is. Take your amount. It is 100,000 INR. Count it.
Okay, sir. These are the total.
Great. Any other services for me?
Yes, please give me half big notes and half small notes.
Okay, I will give it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You are welcome.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.